Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have this beautiful kinky straight human hair wig from Nadula hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have hot combed the roots on this wig and flat ironed her out. It took a long time because this is some thick hair. I don't know what the density is on this, but I would say it has to be over 200. But yeah, this is what it looks like after being pressed out. What I'm noticing about this wig, the hair feels amazing. I just bought some bundles off Amazon, some kinky straight bundles from just like a random company on there, but I should have got some bundles from them because this feels so good, like beautiful. The hairline looks pretty good. The only thing that I'm noticing is that the knots are not bleached, so you can see them. You can bleach your knots, but the knots aren't that big around like the hairline. You just see it more in the parting space. It looks good. Looks real good. Okay? But of course my part is like non-existent because I have on a black wig cap. But this is after pressing it out. Still very thick. Super thick still. Can probably do it a little bit more. Let me get my hot comb at the top. Because I flat ironed it and stuff on a mannequin head. So it's different when you do it on your actual head. This is a large cap, so I need to tighten this if I want to wear it glueless, because it's possible for me to do that. I think it's possible. Let's try it at least. So I'm going to tighten this adjustable elastic band within the cap. Yeah, if you're looking for some kinky straight hair, this is really, really, really nice. This is a beautiful wig. It really is. Let me turn this heat up so I can get that top nice and flat. Yeah, this is a large, huge cap base. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 332. Make sure this is clean. 332 golden caramel. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do a sunlight test for y'all because it's later in the day. It's not that much sun out, but I'll try. Okay, you're gonna lose some hair once you cut around your ear, which is okay. This wig is so thick, like okay. We wearing this glueless. Every wig I reviewed today has been glueless. I'm gonna say this is probably the best one though. This has been the best one. Gotta be. I'm also biased because I love kinky straight hair. But like, this looks good. Okay. Oh, that's exciting. I don't have to use no spray. I can just put this bad boy on. I might wear this tomorrow. This is so pretty. Now, some of the lace is a little bit light, so I might have to just put like a little bit of foundation or contour on it just so it'll blend down a little bit better. Because on camera, it's gonna show. Not really on my phone camera, but on my actual camera for my YouTube videos, it shows up. I got a lot of wigs from Nadula hair that I like, actually. A lot of their headband wigs are nice too, so. Okay, so you guys saw the process of getting this wig together. I'll have all the specs for this wig in the description box because I don't have it in front of me. But this has to be like the longest Kinky straight wig I've ever reviewed. Like, I'm 6 feet tall, you guys know that, and it's all the way like right here. This has to be like 24 inches maybe. I am wearing this glueless today. I usually melt down most of my wigs. I don't know if you can still see. Yeah, you can see. If I'm really close, you'll be able to see it. But like from back here, you can't really see it. But I just wanted to show another easy glueless install for you guys because not everybody wants to melt their wigs down. Even though I feel like this could benefit from, you know, a little bit of even Wonder Lace Bond and melting because this is such a stunning kinky straight wig. But I still made it happen. So I don't have any cons with this wig. It's really hard to mess up a kinky straight wig. This hair feels so good. It's a kinky straight texture, so of course it's coarser, but it's also soft at the same time. Very beautiful. It still has a lot of nice texture even though I did press it out. Beautiful. Love that. The only con I would say is that the knots are not bleached, but Nadula Hair is a more affordable company, and sometimes with more affordable human hair companies, they don't do as much as like the higher end ones where they bleach the knots and tweeze it and curl it for you and all that kind of stuff. But that's not a big deal. I still got away with not bleaching the knots and it still looks very natural. I did do a sunlight test for you guys. Well, it's barely any sun. It's not any like direct sun. It's just kind of like the sun's going down. It's like 5 o'clock and 5 o'clock is dark now. So I did do a sunlight test for you guys and I think the lace looks pretty good. Okay, I did try to use a little bit of this spritz as like a temporary kind of hold, but I can run my comb underneath it, so it's not, this is still a completely glueless wig because I can still put my comb underneath it. Like, there's the comb there. So this is glueless and this is stunning. If you like kinky straight hair, this is beautiful. This is perfect for fall, winter. Don't buy this for summer because you will burn up. But for right now, yes, perfect for this. And this length is beautiful. But of course, if you're not into long hair or that's just not for you, you can go with a shorter length and then save some more coin. You know, this video is going up on Black Friday, so take advantage of the deals out there. Especially Nadula hair is already affordable, and now they're gonna have something. They're gonna have a Black Friday sale, so keep that in mind. So, and like I said, I have several Nadula hair wigs, and I've had a lot of wig sales over the last 2 years, and I still have a lot of Nadula hair wigs in my collection. So this is no different. I'm going to keep this. I think it's so pretty, and it's so easy to just plop on. If you don't want to have to melt your wig, you don't have to. Now, will it benefit and make it look more natural? I think it will, but this already looks really good. Very impressive. Very impressed. Very impressed. Alright guys, so I am back and I have this wig applied today with my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. But I wanted to show you guys this wig curled. So first of all, I did a half up, half down style, straightened out how it already came, how I straightened it yesterday. And while I was in that style, I decided to put some curls in this wig, and I think this is so cute. Y'all know I love me a half up, half down style. It's turned out really pretty, and I love my makeup today with this whole look. And I curled this wig with my 2-in-1 curling iron and flat iron from Conair. I'll have all the tools that I used to get this wig together in the description box. So again, take advantage of the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday sales that a lot of these human hair companies are offering. I gotta say, this is a amazing kinky straight wig. It curls well. Now kinky straight wigs don't hold curls for a very long time. Like, it's probably gonna drop within the next like 2 hours, but that's to be expected with this texture. But it's absolutely beautiful. Like, the lace is very good even when it is not melted. So I showed you guys what it looks like glueless, and this is what it looks like with a temporary adhesive. Looks amazing. Okay, so if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to Nadula Hair and pick it up there. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys are having a lovely holiday season. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.